Congratulations on your decision to purchase an OmniFlex Dispense-and-Vac system from QuickStart. In this video, we'll cover the process of assembling your system and getting it ready to start cleaning. The process is quick and easy, so let's get started. To begin, remove the vacuum tank from the shipping box. Then, remove the protective packaging from the vacuum motor. Now, remove the vacuum motor from the vacuum tank by loosening the clasp on the side of the vacuum tank and lifting it up. There are a few items packed in the vacuum tank for shipping purposes. Locate the two vacuum tank horns and the hardware bag and remove them from the vacuum tank. Then, place the vacuum motor back onto the tank and secure it in place using the orange clasp. The hardware bag contains an instruction sheet for installing the horns on the vacuum tank, as well as required hardware and a Phillips head tool. You may refer to the installation instructions if you need further assistance during installation. First, we'll attach the horn with the orange drip tray attached to it to the right side of the vacuum tank, next to the vacuum hose port as shown here. Next, place a machine screw through a gasket washer and insert the screw and washer in the top center location on the horn. Use the provided tool or a Phillips head screwdriver to fasten the horn to the vacuum tank. Next, grab two coarse threaded screws and place them in the holes on either side of the horn. Tighten them in place using the provided tool or a Phillips head screwdriver. Repeat this process on the other side of the tank, making sure to place the machine screw and gasket washer in the center hole on the tank horn. Next, remove the trolley bucket from the box and set it on the floor. Locate the user's manual and training DVD stored inside the trolley bucket and place it aside for now. Then, locate the spigot handle in the hardware bag. In the hardware bag, you'll find instructions for installing the spigot handle. Please refer to these instructions if you need further assistance during installation. To install the spigot handle, tilt the trolley bucket forward, resting it in an upright direction on the floor. Now, grab the spigot handle and slide it through the spigot hole on the trolley bucket. Align the bottom of the spigot handle with the flag on the top of the spigot and slide the handle into place. Next, turn the spigot handle 90 degrees to make fastening the screw easier. Line the hole in the spigot handle up with the hole in the spigot and fasten the handle to the spigot with the provided screw. Once the screw is tightened all the way, turn the spigot back to the off position and tilt the trolley bucket back upright. Now, remove the push handle from the shipping box and discard the protective plastic on the handle. Position the push handle over the holes on the rear of the trolley bucket and insert the handle fully into the trolley. Place a gasket washer on each of the thumb bolts and secure the push handle to the trolley bucket with a thumb bolt on each side of the system. Once the push handle is secured to the system, place the vacuum tank on top of the trolley bucket and secure it in place using the orange clasp on both sides of the vacuum tank. Now, we'll assemble the speed spreader tool. Push in on the lock pins and slide the two pieces together, allowing the pins to lock in place on the upper part of the handle. Now, locate the pad frame in the shipping box. When installing the pad frame, it's very important to align the long edge of the pad frame with the bend in the handle. This provides the smoothest operation when using the speed spreader. To attach the pad frame to the handle, remove the blue lock pin from the frame. Align the long edge of the frame with the bend in the handle and slide the frame onto the handle. Line up the holes in the pad frame and the handle and insert the blue lock pin. Then, twist the collar on the frame to secure it to the handle. Once the pad frame is attached, place a spreader pad on the floor and place the pad frame over the top of it, attaching the pad to the frame. Now, place the speed spreader tool on the trolley bucket, placing it in the drip tray, and using the strap on the handle to fasten it to the system's push handles. Next, open the accessories box and remove the vacuum hose. Attach one end of the vacuum hose to the vacuum tank. Then, wrap the vacuum hose onto the system using the tank horns we installed earlier. The end of the vacuum hose can be placed on the orange drip tray. Now, attach the squeegee brush head to the vacuum wand by loosening the collar on the vacuum wand and inserting the squeegee head. Now tighten the vac wand collar, securing it in place. Finally, place the vacuum wand onto the system, placing the end of the wand into the catch tray and fastening the strap to the vacuum tank horn we installed earlier. Your OmniFlex Dispense-and-Vac is now ready for use. Simply fill the system with cleaning solution and begin cleaning. Please refer to the other video modules in the library for detailed instructions for using your OmniFlex Dispense-and-Vac system.